U.S. President Donald Trump has been indicted in the alleged hush money case, the first former U.S. president who will ever face criminal charges. A grand jury in Manhattan has indicated Trump will now face these charges, though the exact charges are not known. It's said to be over an alleged hush money payment to former porn star Stormy Daniels during Trump's 2016 presidential election campaign. The payment itself was legal, but Trump allegedly recorded it as a business expense and provided fake records. It is still unclear exactly what Trump will be charged with, but he is likely to be arrested in the coming days. Meanwhile, Trump has released a statement calling it political persecution and election interference at the highest level in history. Remember, Donald Trump is making a bid for the U.S. presidential elections once again next year.
We're witnessing American history. This is the first time a former president has been charged with a crime. So this is unprecedented. And the question is, are there other prosecutors throughout the country, like Special Counsel Jack Smith or Atlanta District Attorney Fani Willis, who are going to follow suit and charge Donald Trump with more serious crimes?
Rishabh is joining me on the phone line. Rishabh, quite a few questions around what was the hush money paid for. Obviously, the very term is self-explanatory that it was paid to silence the lady in question. But what do we know about this case, and what are the possibilities ahead for Donald Trump and his arrest?
So what are the possibilities ahead? Possibilities are not very bright for Donald Trump, the ex-president of U.S. He's the first ex-U.S. president who has been formally charged for a criminal activity. And after that, if you see what can happen on Tuesday, he can be fingerprinted, he can be photographed, he can even be handcuffed in the court. This is what the legal experts in the United States indicate. Right now, he has been indicted in the case for the 2016 hush money payment case, when money was paid to an adult film star to silence her. And then on Tuesday, when Donald Trump appears in front of the Manhattan jury, there will be further process that will start taking place. Remains to be seen whether Donald Trump will give in or remain undefined. In any which way, his run-up to the White House in 2024 looks under a question mark, given that now Republicans in general would not like to stand with Donald Trump for the presidential poll that is scheduled next year.
Right. Rishabh,